Hi everyone, welcome back to Geek Yorker. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix Siri suggestions not showing on iPhone. So now Siri suggestions usually appear in search, lock screen and while sharing, but sometimes they stop showing up. And this is due to settings being turned off or system glitches. So to fix this, first open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on Siri option and then on the Siri settings page, scroll down and under suggestion section, make sure options like suggest app before searching, allow notification, show in app library and other two is enabled. And after enabling it, restart your iPhone once and if the issue still continues, then click on reset hidden suggestion and click on reset again. And this will refresh Siri's learning data and once done, Siri suggestions should start appearing again. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker. Thanks for watching.